Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is an exciting day. I'm gonna be getting my hair done today later on. So first I'm just gonna eat some breakfast, finish some things around the house, and then we'll get going to our hair appointment. I got my smoothie. I'm gonna drink my water, and I'm probably gonna watch sorry. And I'm probably gonna watch some Teen Wolf right now. And then not sure what I would do after. So I forgot to show y'all what my hair looked like after, but I'll insert a picture of it right here, what it looks like. I got totally sidetracked. I went to my friends, I had dinner there, but you can kind of see that it looks different. I'm obviously in awful lighting because it is nighttime already, but I am in love with it. So like I said, I'll leave the picture. I already put the picture up right here. So. So I forgot to vlog when I was at the store. I'm awful. I really am awful. But I'm gonna show you what I got. Starting with Target, I got this, what is it called? Oops, if I could get it. The Sun Club 24 can cooler. I was gonna get the strawberry backpack, but then I saw this one and it holds more cans. It's the exact same price, but it also has like where you could wear it like as a gym bag. And it has where you can put 2 drinks. And you don't have to unzip it all the way to open it. Let me see if I can do this. It's from this little thing up here. You don't have to unzip it all. And then it has a pocket right here. So I thought this was so much better than the strawberry one, and I just got the fruit because it's really cute. So I thought this would be cute for the beach, and we just put our drinks right here. And also for like road trips whenever we go back home, this would be also really good for that. And then I got this, what's this thing called? Just like a little pastry holder. I've been wanting one of these. So I got this one also from Target. I got some Jergens Instant Sun Self Tanner. And then I got these shoes because they were on sale for $10.49. And I have the black pair in them and I really love them. So I got the brown pair and I couldn't pass it up. Then at Walmart, I got some groceries. So just some bacon and butter. Mr. Clean. This Tree Hut scrub that I've been wanting to try so I could use this before I tan. Some training treats for Ranger. My friend told me that this was good, so I got it. I need some more scent boosters, hairspray, more sponges, and some dog treats. Coming over here, just got some bananas, bread, some bow tie pasta, 2 packs of wipes. I need these for Honey, and also when they like to play in the dirt, so I wipe them down. I wanted to try this Yum Yum sauce. Sorry if you hear honey. I got some paper towels and some Gatorade. Then I got cream cheese, whipped cream cheese for my avocado toast, Justin's milk, my milk, cheese, broccoli, asparagus, chicken, avocado, spinach, and eggs. That's what I got at Walmart. I'm telling you, I'm very bad at vlogging, so I went to go put air in my tire. I can't film me doing that because it's just me, and I'm trying to put air in my tire, and there's a lot of people at the gas station, and I'm nervous. And I don't want to get their license plate numbers on video. And then I also went to get some food. So I'm gonna drink my last blueberry Stella Rosa wine with my dinner while watching Teen Wolf. I'm trying to get it up on the laptop. For dinner, I went ahead and got hibachi. This time I got salmon instead of the chicken. Move. So I got salmon, seaweed salad, edamame, corn, and fried onion with sushi rice and the spicy mayo. So that's what I got right here.